Welcome to MS Auto Review. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series, a groundbreaking fusion of open-top exhilaration and unparalleled luxury. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series redefines the classic roadster silhouette with a harmonious blend of elegance and performance. Its elongated hood and sleek lines are accentuated by a distinctive two-tone paint finish, available in two curated design concepts, Red Ambiance and White Ambiance. The Red Ambiance pairs obsidian black metallic with MANUFAKTUR garnet red metallic, exuding a sense of passion and dynamism. The White Ambiance combines obsidian black metallic with MANUFAKTUR moonlight white magno, offering a serene and sophisticated aesthetic. Both designs feature the iconic Maybach emblem prominently displayed, along with chrome accents and a unique Maybach patterned insulated soft top that enhances both style and cabin quietness. Under the hood, the SL 680 Monogram Series is powered by a robust 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, delivering an impressive 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the Roadster to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an estimated 4.0 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 161 miles per hour. The 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and handling across various driving conditions. Despite its formidable performance, the vehicle maintains the hallmark Maybach commitment to comfort, with specially tuned suspension and a unique exhaust system that balances a thrilling engine note with refined cabin acoustics. Stepping inside, the SL 680 Monogram Series envelops occupants in an atmosphere of opulence and meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with MANUFAKTUR Crystal White Nappa leather upholstery, offering a supple and inviting touch. Ambient lighting accentuates the interior's contours, creating a serene environment that can be personalized to suit individual moods. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated, featuring a high-resolution infotainment system with intuitive controls, ensuring that drivers and passengers remain connected and entertained. The attention to detail extends to Maybach-specific design elements, such as rose gold accents and engraved Maybach lettering, reinforcing the vehicle's exclusive status. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series is engineered to deliver a driving experience that harmoniously blends performance with luxury. The adaptive suspension system responds in real time to road conditions, providing a smooth and composed ride. The vehicle's aerodynamic design not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to stability and efficiency at high speeds. Safety is paramount, with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that offer support and peace of mind during every journey. From city streets to open highways, the SL 680 Monogram Series adapts effortlessly, making each drive a memorable occasion. In the realm of luxury roadsters, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series stands as a testament to automotive excellence. It embodies the perfect synergy of tradition and innovation, offering discerning drivers an unparalleled blend of style, performance, and comfort. This model not only enriches the Maybach portfolio but also sets a new benchmark for what a luxury open-top driving experience can be. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series. If you found this review insightful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more expert insights into the world's most luxurious vehicles.